StudyMojo.com.
The next question is, if the points A 6 1, B 8 2, C 9 4, and D P3 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. Find the value of P. This is the question. 4 vertices of a parallelogram are given and we have to find the value of P. So we have to draw a parallelogram. This is to be the parallelogram A, B, C and D. The coordinates of A is 6 1 and coordinates of B is equal to 8 2, coordinates of C 9 4 and coordinates of D is equal to P 3. Now we have to find the value of P. For that we are drawing the diagonals. The diagonal, one diagonal is AC and the second diagonal is BD. BD is the second diagonal and the point of intersection of the diagonal is O. Let it be O. So we can start by writing, draw the two diagonals. Draw the two diagonals AC and BD of parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD. Let O be the point of intersection. Point of intersection of the two diagonals. Therefore, hence, O is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC. Since O is the midpoint of AC, we can find out the coordinates of O. Therefore, coordinates of O. The formula for finding the coordinates of O can be written as x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 because O is the midpoint of AC and the formula for finding the coordinates of midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We are giving values. This is equal to x1 y1, here it is x2 y2. So x1 plus x2 means 6 plus 9 by 2, 6 plus 9 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 means 1 plus 4 by 2, 1 plus 4 by 2. That is, this is equal to 15 by 2 and 5 by 2. This is the coordinates of O. Now we are finding the coordinates of O with respect to the diagonal BD. O is the midpoint of BD also. O is the midpoint of diagonal BD also. Therefore, again O is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 means 8 plus P by 2. 8 plus P by 2 and 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 3 by 2. This is equal to 8 plus P by 2 and 5 by 2. This is the coordinates of O, and here also this is the coordinates of O. 6 plus 9 by 2 means 15 by 2, and here it is 8 plus b by 2. These are the coordinates of O. In both the cases these two are equal. That means the x coordinate here is 8 plus p by 2 and the x coordinate here is 15 by 2. Both are equal. That means therefore 8 plus p divided by 2 is equal to 15 by 2. Cancelling this 2 and 2, we are getting, that is 8 plus p is equal to 15, and therefore the value of p is equal to 15 minus 8, that means p is equal to 7. We are equating the coordinates of O. X coordinate, here it is 8 plus b by 2 and here it is 15 by 2. Both are equal. So 8 plus p by 2 is equal to 15 by 2. We can cancel the denominators, they are equal. 2 and 2 cancelled. So 8 plus p is equal to 15. Therefore p is equal to 15 minus 8 and the value of p is equal to 7. This is the answer. The value of p is equal to 7. Okay.